Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 12:15 p.m. At 11:24 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cambridge to near Lake Koshkonong to near Janesville, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated and emergency management reports tree damage near Evansville. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Elkhorn, Delavan, Mukwonago, Milton, Edgerton, East Troy, North Prairie, Palmyra, Potter Lake, Lake Koshkonong, Burlington, Richmond, Springfield, LaGrange, Albion, Eagle, and Hebron. People attending Rock County 4-H Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following locations: Ottawa Lake Recreation Area and Pinewoods Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.